In this video, we're going to go from this. Why is it not blowing? To this. Oh wow. A blower motor intermittently has stopped working. It'll stop for a little bit and then come back on. So I'm going to have to troubleshoot it and see what's going on. The most common failure points for this would be the motor itself, the fuse going to the motor, possibly a relay, and also a resistor. If the resistor fails, typically it'll be just one speed that fails, so it'll work on low but not high, or it'll work on high but not low. In this case, my fan is not working at all, so that would generally narrow it down to the relay, fuse, or the blower motor, or of course the wiring harness itself. By the way, the resistor, typically when it goes out, it will be a connection between the wiring harness and the resistor itself. So if you pop that connector off, you may see that it's kind of melted there, and if that's the case, then you probably will need to replace the wiring harness connector, the resistor, and it's a good idea to go ahead and replace the blower motor as well. A bad blower motor can cause that connection to deteriorate. Okay, now of course, as always, it's always best to check things with the meter, but quick check for the relay, it's pretty easy, and we're going to show you that real quick. So on this car, the relay is down here, number 52 for the blower motor. So simply I can just pull that out, and all these relays are the same, so I can take it out of there. Pop it in, go check it, and see what happens. Sorry about all that wind noise. So anyway, if you swap the relay, and if whatever you swapped it with now is not working, then obviously it's the relay. If everything's still working fine, then we have another problem. So next we're going to check the fuse. And a quick way to check the fuse using a meter is pull the fuse out, of course look at it, see if it's blown there, but also check it with the meter. Put your meter leads across it, and you should see it go down to 0.1 ohms, or very low resistance. If it stays up at infinite, then you got a blown fuse, replace it, and move on. Put the meter leads on it. There we go. Fuse is good. So put the fuse back. Swap the relay, no change. Check the fuse is good. Time to move on. Okay, so fortunately in this car it's fairly easy to get to the blower motor. To actually touch it, pop the glove box down, and I've already taken the filter out, the cabin filter, but the fan motor's right here. And so one of the things that I did to test it is with the motor on, and be careful if you try this, it wouldn't turn on, but with the power turned on to it, I would simply just give it a little spin, and then the motor would take off and work just fine. So that told me right there that it was the motor, not the relay, resistor, fuse, or anything like that. So I'm going to replace the motor. And actually you can see one of the screws right here. Right here. There's 3 total that will have to be taken off, and these are 5.5mm nuts that are, or bolts that are holding that on. So run back here and grab my socket, and let's get to it. Okay, so now I'm up underneath the dash, and again there's three bolts that come out. Okay, there's the first bolt. Can leave that one in there just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And there it is. to just unplug it. Okay, there's a side-by-side comparison of the two. This is a new one. There's the old one. There we go. And as they say, reverse and reinstall now. This little square piece fits into a duct in there. See if it blows. Oh wow. Yep, success. Okay, to install the filter, it goes right back here. There we go, there's where your filter goes. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now the door goes in, like so. Put the screws back in. One here, and one down here. Mine's missing. Apparently, whoever did it last didn't put them back in. It seems to be just fine, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to put the glove compartment box back on.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
All this stuff out of here. This one's so easy from right here. Well, I'm not going to do it. Why are you not focusing, dude?